Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to learn some simple English vocabulary words with their meanings. These words are perfect for beginners who want to improve their English skills. Let's get started. Big means large in size or amount. Example sentence: This house is big. Happy means feeling joyful or pleased. Example sentence: I am happy today. Run means to move quickly on foot. Example sentence: I love to run in the park. An apple is a type of fruit that we eat. Example sentence: I like to eat an apple a day. Friend is a person you like and enjoy spending time with. Example sentence: She is my best friend. Smile is when you curve your lips upwards to show happiness. Example sentence: I love to smile when I see my friends. A sofa is an item that we use to sit on. Example sentence: I enjoy relaxing on sofa. A chair is a piece of furniture used for sitting on. Example sentence: Please sit down on the chair. A tree is either tall or short plant with a thick stem and branches. Example sentence: The tree in our backyard is very tall. A cloud is a white or gray mass of water vapor in the sky. Example sentence: The cloud is blocking the sun. A bird is an animal with feathers and wings. Example sentence: The bird is singing a beautiful song. A motorcycle is a mode of transport. Example sentence: I'm going to the local store on my motorcycle. A paper is a material that is used for writing or printing on. Example sentence: I need a paper to write a note. Music is an art of making sounds with instruments or voices. Example sentence: I love listening to music. A game is an activity or contest set for entertainment. Example sentence: My favorite game is soccer. That's all for today's video. We hope you learned some new vocabulary words and their meanings. Remember, learning English is fun and easy. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more simple English lessons and practice your English skills every day. See you in the next video. Goodbye.